Hi guys, it's Richard Labs. My name is Fro, and today we're going to talk about top 4 coins that I highly recommend to buy, that I bought already, or for coins I'm waiting for a certain levels to make a huge position in them, and I just believe in all of them with all of my heart, and I will put really lot of amount of money in these for coins. But before this video starts, I would like to ask you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot now in the future, and if you subscribe, you just sure that you won't miss any cool, interesting upcoming projects, token platforms, and all other interesting stuff. Let's go. The first of them is NEAR. I've mentioned this blockchain, this coin, a few videos before, just recently, because now it got a lot of hype, and you can say like, oh my god, like bro, it's not so hyped, even there is not so much people are going to that collection, there's no so much hype near like just near on near that collections and other things. But this is not important, because this blockchain is still for all of developers. It is really easy to make a game on it, a collection on it, and this is very nice. This is huge, really huge opportunities in that, and it's still one of the most fastest blockchain nowadays. This is not just about number of blocks or something like that, or hash, or I don't know. It's just like the time, because when I sending a Solana, it goes like about a minute, and when I sending near from my one wallet to another, it goes like about only for a few seconds. So this is really fast, and they don't have any errors or problems with their chain. This is really nice, and the most really important thing is that they break their resistance on 12. You can see it. They've tried to make it on 28th of February, then on 11th of the February, and now they're finally break that. Now all they have to do is break their another resistance on here, as we see, on 13.3 or somewhere here. So if it goes above the 14, it can easily go higher above than its ETH, and I think this is most likely because we see a bull market now. A lot of coins, a lot of altcoins are growing, BTC, ETH are growing, and here we can see a triangle as well, a really bull triangle, and it goes for up. And I think we can just fly to another Fibonacci level, then go to another Fibonacci level, and then just break out 20 or even just touch 20. It will be a huge profit for us. It's about 50%, and again, this blockchain is new, is looking kind of nice, and I think it can do it easily. Although it's a day graph, not 1 hour, not 1 hour chart, not 4 hour chart. This is 1 day chart, the most fundamentally strong, the one on everybody is looking for. And yeah, all we have to do for now is break this resistance. One resistance is broken, so it's support now. So all we have to do is break this resistance, and if we break it, we're just going to the moon. So NEAR is going to the moon. Another interesting token that I'm looking for, that I want to buy, and I'm really sad that I haven't bought it here, because I just love this token, I love this platform, is IMAX, the token from the Mutable X, the one and only platform for Ethereum on a layer 2. They got a huge partnerships with the Illuvium, with Gods Unchained, with Guild of Guardians, and all, and a lot of interesting projects are upcoming. They made a partnership with the GameStop. They got like a 300 million from their partnership, and this growth is based on this news. So yeah, they got like 300 million from the GameStop, and they collaborated to make a really huge marketplace that can just change the game and to become a tier 1, a top 1 marketplace in NFT sphere instead of the OpenSea. And they can just do it because all the developers are smart, community is kind of nice, they already got some huge projects, money is not a problem, as we understand. And I think, and now they're starting their new uptrend, and I think this will last really long, like up to their previous ETH, up to 4 and maybe up to 10 and to the moon. I think this token is super undervalued. A lot of people just don't know about this platform. I wouldn't know about it as well if I wasn't playing Gods Unchained, and I think only collaboration with Illuvium can give them just a huge gains, because it will be a lot of animals, a lot of characters in there, a lot of kind of weapons and other things that all will be selling on their market, and this can make them like a new fuel for the new growing. So but by the technical we can see their 50 days moving average is only like dropped, only become visible. So now they came to their support, in here we see a huge support in here, and now it's kind of triangle in there. So all we have to do for now is break this resistance, and I believe we can go really high. It's not too late to buy them, and I think they're super undervalued, and this is really good time to buy it for a really cheap price that we won't see like maybe in upcoming days, or maybe even never. The next one is TVT. It's shown us a pretty high growing past days, so it's about like x2, maybe x like 2.5 for someone, and I think this is not enough, even though this is not kind of okay growth, this is not kind of regular growth, but still this is a huge bull sign. They got their support just in here. They will be, there's a lot of rumors around them, and when there is so much rumors, usually something happens, something that just going to the moon, that just blowing tokens up to 1000% and all their stuff. So there's a lot of rumors about adding Trust Wallet into the OpenSea. There's a lot of rumors about the new director who came from the Binance, so Binance will outbuy them and they make some kind of huge wallet or another platform or something like that. So just numbers of rumors is going around them, and I think something big is really coming for us, and just waiting for the corner. They break out their 3 moving average and started a really huge like bull super bullish uptrend, and I think this is not enough. I think in recent time we can see a 2 in here, a new ATH, and a 2 here just easily. All we have to do is break these 2 resistance. Yeah, and I think their story is just started. They just started. This is not their final growth. And the last one, of course, is Ape. As you can guess, this is so obvious because I mentioned it a few times before. Now they started kind of downtrend. We can see a bear triangle in here, I think, and maybe this is not just like a best time to buy them, but my recommendation for you guys is just to buy them for a really long term, because their metaverse, the other side, are upcoming. Their land sales for their tokens are upcoming, and I think this token got one of the most strong potential nowadays, like between all the altcoins, because this is the token from the #1 collection from the Yuga Labs, who bought out another most famous NFT, most popular NFT collections, and they just got everything, the money, the respect, the fame, and all other things. So this is just like they have to create something really big, maybe even a #1 game, #1 metaverse in the whole blockchain sphere. And usually for things like that, this is kind of impossible to catch the news, to understand when it will skyrocket. So most smart for this time is just to buy their tokens and just wait for the good news, because they will happen sooner or later. And I think the April will be just the best month for these coins and for all market, although because we got kind of altcoins, kind of crypto spring right now. So yeah, maybe the Ape will be included in this crypto spring, I hope, and they can just go out and skyrocket, because again there is a lot of like ways, a lot of things like why they will grow in recent time in the nearest month, and why they should fall. I don't know, only if one whale will sell out all of his coins and just like dump the course really strong, or if they made a shit game or a shit metaverse. But as we saw in the trailer, this is kind of impossible because it's looking just fantastic. So guys, this is my top 4 coins. You can buy all of them, or you can buy some of them. You can add some of them to your portfolio or diversify your portfolio as you like, guys. This is just my personal opinion. I don't know the future, but I believe I know what is going to be and what is going on with these coins. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, buy coins, earn on it, and see ya.